want to create gradient text color like this type, in this video I'm going to share with you how to create gradient text color animation in any software. In this video I am using Adobe Premiere Pro. You will be using any software, just follow me this process. In this case I am using Adobe Premiere Pro Premiere Composer. You know what is Premiere Composer? Premiere Composer is a very useful plugin in Premiere Pro and After Effects. This plugin inbuilt a lot of text animation, transition, lower thread, sound effect, shape elements, etc. Just click and drop and customize. First of all, choose your animation and click on drop to timeline. Go to the essential graphics and write your text, font, alignment, etc. Now, what color do you want? In this case, I want my text color green and white combination. Now, duplicate your text layer and go to the essential graphics and choose your color. Then go to the effect control, create a opacity masking. Click on the free drop razor, create a mask according to text and increase max feather. Now your gradient text is ready. If you need more informative video, subscribe and follow me.